The smell coming off this car.
You want me to get the bag of chicken?
Oh my God, help us. Ah.
Do a little grocery shopping in your MKZ, and I don't know what we got in there. We got a bag of chicken thighs. Oh, hit me. I don't know what that is, like steak chunks or something. Woo! Whoa! I need to throw that in a ditch across the street.
I can taste this car from 20 feet away.
Woo! Got some raisins. Macaroni and cheese, some American cheese slices. Man, somebody's getting ready to make a good meal.
Something for your kids.
What else we got in here?
I can taste it.
Oh, there's a matching boot. All right, I'm gonna carry this down the road here.
Yeah, please. We shouldn't take it the direction we gotta walk. Oh God, help me.